Welcome to an exclusive tour of Nicolas Cage's remarkable collection of homes. First, the majestic Malibu mansion, an oceanfront paradise with breathtaking views. Next, the enchanting New Orleans Victorian, a piece of southern charm frozen in time. Now, the luxurious Las Vegas penthouse, a contemporary oasis in the heart of the city. Behold the Kentucky Ranch, a rustic retreat where nature meets elegance. Lastly, the Balinese villa, an exotic haven that transports you to another world. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary journey through Nicolas Cage's remarkable homes. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of the rich and famous. Stay tuned for more exclusive tours of celebrity lifestyles.